Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review and unboxing for this anti-aging facial massage gift set. These are really trending right now. I've seen these everywhere online. So they are supposed to be anti-aging. They're supposed to boost your youthful appearance by boosting blood circulation, stimulating collagen, things like that. But what I'm interested in it for is it's supposed to help reduce migraines and headaches. And I don't know if you could hear it in my voice, but I'm sick again. And when I get sick, my neck and my head, it gets really warm. I don't get a fever, but achy and it gets warm. And so you could actually put these in the fridge, make them cold, and use it to like roll up and down your neck or your head or your face. So I'm interested in that. You could purchase these on Amazon, and when I did, I got a little ebook that is in depth, has tons of information in there. So this set comes with a roller and a little massage stone. And it says how to use it. Just clean your face, apply your favorite serum or moisturizer. Always think outward and upward when using this Jade roller. Gently roll the tool over your face, starting at your chin. Work from the center of the face outward and upward onto the cheek. Continue for each section of your face. So you can do that for 5 to 10 minutes. And then this little Jade stone, I don't know how to pronounce that, but you could use it on various parts of your body, leg, back. And then shows you how to clean it. You can just wipe it down with a soft cloth or brush. And then there's some tips on the back. It says you can put it in your freezer or fridge before using for a cool experience, and that's what I am interested in. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. It comes packaged really nice with this foam stuff around it so that it's not going to break. Oh, okay, I was about to say, it looks like there's something underneath. There's actually a nice little bag that you could keep it in. That's really pretty. So here's what the stone looks like. It's real thin. I could see how that would be good for massaging with the different angles on it. And then here's the roller. So there's a smaller end and the bigger end. And I'm excited because I believe this is going to get really cold. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the freezer. I'm going to use it and I'm going to be back to tell you my thoughts on it. So I just took this out of the freezer. I left it in for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and then I used it. I used this to kind of massage the side of my throat, the right side of my throat. One of the lymph nodes is swollen, and you could kind of feel it when I drink or swallow. It hurts really bad, so I was using this to massage my back of my neck, and then I used this to do that area. I just kept going over it and over and over it, and then whenever that was no longer cold, I'd switch to a different part of it. But I don't know if you could tell on camera, but when you take it out of the freezer, it does get a little bit of condensation on it. So that wetness with the cold, it feels so good. And I'm not kidding you, after using this for 10 minutes on my throat and the side of my neck, I can swallow now and drink and it doesn't hurt. So I'm pretty pleased with that because I have a lot of problems. Like I said, when I'm sick, I have issues like that and sinus problems. So I love this. And when I was done with it, I put it back in the freezer and waited about 10 more minutes and it's already super cold again. So it does not take long to get that really cold sensation. And it is super cold, like colder than ice, cold, cold, cold. So it feels really good. If you guys are interested, I will leave all the information below of where you can find these on Amazon. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.